Hello everyone and welcome to Centrestack. In today's session, I'm going to show you how administrators can manage team folder permissions from under report section in Management Console in Centrestack. Now we can easily check permissions and manage them from Management Console under the Reports tab. I'm currently logged in as an admin in my web portal, and I'm going to go ahead and select my Management Console option from the top menu bar. From the left pane, we're going to select Reports, and from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Folder Permissions. As you could see, I have two folder permissions for two team folders, and they are my Azure folder and my AWS folder. And you could see they are published to these two users, such as user 1, and you see the permissions are list, read, write, and delete, so this user has full control. And AWS is published to these two users, and you could see their permissions here as well. One has list and read, and the other has list, read, and write. I'm going to go ahead and sign in as user 1 to show you my team folders. First one I have is my AWS and my Azure team folder. I'm going to go into my Azure team folder. And this user has full control, so this user is able to upload folder files and able to delete files, edit files. Nothing is grayed out. This user has full control. I'm going to go ahead and edit the permissions from here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the edit button. And here I have the option to uncheck or check the settings. So I'm going to uncheck write and delete and give this user read and list only. As you could see, list and read is check only. So now I'm going to go back to user 1's browser. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page. And when I go into my Azure folder now, I could see as soon as I hover over it that this is grayed out. This user is not able to upload files, folders, or create any subfolders in the folder. And when I go and right click on a file, I see everything is grayed out. The user cannot edit, the user cannot rename, delete, or cut any files. So his settings, permission settings have been changed. I'm going to go ahead and edit one more time to show you. I'm going to just go ahead and check these back because I want this user to have full control. Now when I go back and refresh the browser, as you could see, this user is able to upload file folders, create folders. When you right click on a file, nothing is grayed out, everything is black and has all the permissions. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. And I want to show you that I'm going to go ahead and you could delete a user. And you could also just click on add a user to add a user, or click add 80 user to add 80 users. And this is how administrators can manage folder permissions from under Reports tab in Management Console in Centrestack. Thank you.